Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Oh, I go on general. Yeah. Come get a new video.
Come to the last one, boy.
You want to see the experiment cut it. I'm seeing a new one as well. That's why I want to walk up a new one still. So I say.
You don't know where I'm going to see it.
I know that. Then I say, I don't have a grandfather around so he might want to couple into it. How are you doing? The players are born down! Fire! 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 Go back in that car.
For all your vaping needs, follow Vape Brothers on Instagram.
Yes, some boy, I'll get some 6 love right now in a FIFA.
Chad, come cut me 2 nail them.
Come in, mommy. Boy, I'll go get quiet right now.
Chad, me need help to put on my girdle. Hurry up. You leave yet?
Yes, mom. Yes, finally, I go play some game, you know.
Chad, I'm back here, my boy.
Me never say nothing.
Oh, you better. Come go shop for me. Me need to go buy some chicken back and flour.
Yes, mommy.
Dog, you know, long me out here wait for your dog.
Me there, man, my youth to the heart.
To the war. Yes, you sweat me on me head. Go here. Go here. You sweat me away for me, dog. Jesus Christ, what a hot.
How you get that designer rag there?
You know, me do my thing already in Halloween, you know.
What thing?
Halloween. I want to make a link, give it. I want to make a link, give it.
What was it? Bombada zebra printer, but
Halloween.
when this come out?
Halloween last week.
How big your rag is?
It big. Where the bomb clot? Where you get this from? Which part you doing my rag, my youth?
Pull up right over there, sir.
Yeah, man, someone pull up, mommy. Yeah, man, pull up right there,
Yeah,
son.
right here, son. Lend me $500. More I'm gonna do the grocery store pick up some
Mommy,
stuff.
you know, I'm kind of this right now. Me not have no money.
Yeah, this, you're broke. Oh, you broke and you have 2 jobs. Me not understand
All
that.
the stuff that me have to pay, mommy, I will pay bills. Me have
What
to
bills? What kind of bills you have, sir? Justice a car because you want to drive nice car.
You better fix your face, you know.
You need to stop smoke, stop drink white rum, and stop go to club and buy buckle and a dash it on yourself. You not waste money. That's why you not always
Mommy,
broke.
I don't smoke and I don't
Yeah, your
drink.
mouth say
You know
something
the
different
time,
when you come on
mommy.
my yard. Stop give the skettle girl Dennis money for get money and pedicure. Tap it, man.
Let me just go into the store, trust little things them from him.
Man,
You just put me through all of this. Why you never just go in there and
Now
trust it from
ask
him?
me a question before my box ya.
Calling all thoughts, calling all thoughts. Get the new Thought Mixes Thought album. Over 2 hours of thought mixes and thought songs for you thoughts to sing along to. With classics like
Starting all over again, it's gonna be hard.
2000s hip hop.
Starting on the ground, she just to take her man.
And for my reggae and dancehall thoughts,
Fat life, and she not care, she will take your man there.
Drizzy Drake Thought Special.
And I don't think that fat like me.
She thought on and on since kindergarten. She been a thought so long.
Baby, I am a thought.
We have the king of thoughts, The Weeknd.
I can be a thought when I'm with you, and I love it.
And if you thoughts just want to turn up, it's thoughtedly lit over here.
And she was a thought about a week ago.
Call to order now, and we will throw in this Miss Lou special.
It's long time thought me never see you. Come make me hold your hand.
Remember, call now and get your Thought Mixes Thought album. 1-800-THOUGHT-JAM. Call now, thought.
You always got to do it on. You always got to do it on, yeah? Yeah, man. You got no here. You got waves? Yeah. I bet you know waves.
Right. What's good, my G? You already know, got that $5, Chris.
Every time $5 haircut. Now got half a cut. Alright. Watch me name.
You sure? You sure you want it?
Go.
Say don't go.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.